Hello, my little yogis. Today we're going to move, stretch, and feel amazing together. If you enjoy our yoga time, remember to like and subscribe. Ready? Let's go. Sit up tall with your legs crossed like a peaceful flower. Rest your hands on your knees and breathe calmly. Wonderful. Lie on your tummy and lift your chest gently like a proud sphinx. Great job. Come onto your hands and toes. Keep your body straight and strong like a plank. Awesome! This pose helps make your whole body strong. Lie on your tummy, bend one knee and hold your foot like a bow. Lift your chest gently. Beautiful. Turn to one side and balance on one hand and foot. Reach your other arm up high. Great balancing. Sit tall, reach one arm overhead and stretch softly to the side. Beautiful. Kneel down and gently lean back like a camel. Open your chest softly. Wonderful. Sit back on your heels like a calm hero. Rest your hands on your legs and sit nice and tall. Make an upside-down V and lift one leg high behind you. Hold strong like a little superhero. Stand on one leg like a graceful dancer. Reach forward and stay steady. Amazing job! Bend forward softly, like a sleepy elephant. Take a slow, deep breath and relax. Stand on one foot and stretch your arms wide like airplane wings. Hold your balance nice and steady. Stand tall like a strong mountain. Reach your arms to the sky. So peaceful. Step your feet apart and stretch to the side like a triangle. You look strong and balanced. Bring your feet together like butterfly wings and gently flap your knees. Nice and calm. Great job today, little yogis. You moved and breathed so well. If you had fun, remember to like and subscribe. To join our next yoga adventure, take a deep breath in and a slow breath out. Relax, smile, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye, yoga friends.